One thing you should remember and know is that we are in the era of remote work, we are in the era of AI, we are in the era of digital finance, we're in the era where people sit in their home and make a lot of money. Okay, so you need to look out for things. In this era, a lot of people are making money from online, but that doesn't mean that offline business are not thriving. And so in this video, I'm going to share 3 of these things you can do with little or no capital that can actually change your finances. So without so much talk and all of that, let me tell you the 3 things so that you can start planning your 2026 with them. First one is home delivery. If you're a guy or a lady and you know how to run home delivery services, I bet you this can generate so much money for you in 2026. A lot of people don't leave their houses anymore. A lot of people don't go anywhere anymore. They stay in their house and do their jobs. And while doing that, they will need people to run errands for them or do delivery services for them or deliver to their home. So if you can open up a delivery service company and run it online and offline, you're going to be making a lot of money in 2026. So delivery services is one of those things that will boom in 2026. You might want to check it out, do more research, do your market analysis, and start up the business. I can tell you in 2026, delivery services will boom. The second business that is going to really boom and that can generate you a lot of money is mobile car wash, mobile laundry, and mobile shoe wash. You see this business, they are going to generate a lot of money. A lot of people are in their houses and they need people that can actually come to their house and do their laundry, do their washing for them, do their cleaning for them. If you can start now and position yourself and open up this business about laundry, washing, cleaning company, this business is going to do well in 2026. Right now, a lot of people are so engrossed on their technology, their phones, and the things they do, their work they do remotely. A lot of people don't even have time to go out of their houses anymore. So if you can run a mobile cleaning services online and offline, this business is going to boom well for you in 2026. All you need to do is you can set up a website where people can book your services, or set up a social media page where you can have your handles and people DM you to come and wash and do their cleaning for them. It's car wash, laundry, house cleaning, any of that is going to do well in 2026. So if you are looking for a business that you can start without capital, I think this is one of them. All you need to do is to just open up your social media handle and then advertise your services. The third business that can fetch you millions of money in 2026 is solar panel installation and management. Yes, a lot of people are working from home and power supply is one of the most essential thing they need in their home. So if you're in an area where there's shortage of power supply, this business can fetch you millions of naira. You can help them install solar panel, you can help them manage it, and you'll be making a lot of money. So solar panel installation and management is one business that is going to do so well in 2026, with the fact that a lot of people are working from their home and power supply is one of the most essential things they need to work from home. So starting up a solar panel installation business might require some funds from you. So you need to have some capital to start up this business. But I can tell you, you can start this business and it will do so well in 2026. So these are the 3 businesses that I think will boom so well in 2026.